Hey collectors, here is a look at the Wave 2 of the pre-cool Blockies. If you ordered a set of this Wave 2 of the Sesame Street Blockies, you will get them inside this box that can turn into a makeshift display case. So in this wave, we have Bert with Rubber Ducky, Oscar the Grouch in his trash can. We have also Count Dracula and finally Bert. And to remind everyone, this is a simple model kit which you need to assemble before getting these figures to your display. Starting with Ernie, you get the figure once assembled, Rubber Ducky, the stick, and this little pogo-like picture of him, plus the instruction sheet on how to properly assemble the figure. And Ernie stands around 4 inches tall and is fully posable. Here is a look at the back of the figure. He has 3 holes. 2 are at the back and 1 at the center of his head. This is where you will place the white stick to mimic the puppetry they are doing during their Sesame Street airtime. The movement of Ernie's jaw is determined by how you will place the stick at the back of his head, and this will mimic how they are talking in the TV show. Rubber Ducky can be placed on top of Ernie's palm, but there is no connecting part, so I suggest putting a tap so that the small figure won't fall down. If you can find the center of balance for this figure, you can put him in some simple action poses. But I don't suggest you leaving it on this kind of pose because it will fall down and may break the figure. During assembly, be sure to hear a small popping sound when you are connecting the joints. That indicates that the parts are securely locked in and the figure won't fall apart once you start moving it around. Next is Oscar the Grouch. He comes with his trash can, his warm body, a picture of him, 2 extra pegs, the white stick, and the instruction booklet. Oscar stands around 3 inches tall. He has basic articulation except for the knees. Unlike Rubber Ducky, the warm body of Oscar has a peg and you can put it inside the hole on top of his head. Oscar can stand on his own because of how large the feet are. But again, this figure will not be walking around because in the Sesame Street TV series, he is always inside his trash can. There are times that Oscar pokes out both of his legs and walks around Sesame Street. And to mimic that, you can easily remove the waist below from the figure and attach it to the trash can, and you will have this configuration for the figure. And for his final form, you can put Oscar inside the trash can along with the lower part of his body. And this is how you usually see him in Sesame Street. Next is Bert, and he comes with a dove, the white stick, and a picture of him, plus the instruction manual on how to assemble this figure. Bert stands around 5 inches tall and has basic articulation like Ernie. And also, like Ernie, you can put him in some simple action poses. Here is a look at the back of the figure, and like Ernie, Bert also has the 2 holes at his back and another hole at the back of his head. You can place the dove on top of his palm. Be sure that the beak is the one that is touching the palm because the wings serves as a balancer for this small figure. Similar to Ernie, you can put him in some simple action poses because of how large the feet are, and he can hold that balancing act for quite a while. But again, I don't suggest you leaving the figure on this kind of display because it will fall down. And last is my favorite figure, Count Dracula. The figure comes with his cape, the white stick, a picture of him, plus the instruction manual on how to build this figure. The count stands around 4.5 inches tall and is also posable like Ernie and Bert because it has all the basic articulation. And be careful when you are assembling this figure, you might lose this monocle part of his costume. And here is the backside of the figure. Like all other figures in this wave, they have two holes at the back and one at the middle of the head. The cape has pegs, and that is the one that you will use to plug it in on his back holes. And this is what the Count Dracula looks like fully assembled. The figure can hold some simple action poses because of how large the feet are. But again, like all other figures, I don't suggest you putting him in this kind of pose without any support because a little nudge and this figure will surely fall down. This is the best way for me because most of the characters are very recognizable. Ernie, Bert, Oscar, and the Count. My complaints are the lack of extra hands, plus the figures are always looking down, and for you to make them look up, you have to open their mouth. And for size comparison, here they are with Bruce Wayne from the Dark Knight trilogy by Modoking Model Kit and Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit. With Steve Rogers from Endgame, Captain America by Hasbro, and Vash the Stampede from the Trigun anime series by Jazzwares. And finally with Skeletor and He-Man from Masters of the Universe Filmation version by Super 7. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.